Hi, in this video we'll be talking about jump tables. Jump tables are structures containing functions, usually lists or dictionaries. We can choose the function we need using its index or key. Jump tables can contain both named and anonymous functions. The former are created by means of the def statement. The latter are created by means of lambda expressions. If you want to learn more about lambda expressions, I have a video about them, so feel free to watch it. Okay, let's see the jump tables in action. First, let's create some simple functions. Sing, read, act. Each of these functions just returns a string. Singing, here we have the title and author. Title and author are passed as arguments to the function. Now, let's store the functions in a list. We can also add a lambda function here. So let's do it now. Functions. Here we have a list: sing, read, act, and a lambda function which returns the following string, doing stuff with, and here we have the title and the author. Fine. Now let's just call these functions and print out the results. Print functions 0, which is sing, functions 1, which is read, and so on. We have the same arguments in each function: unexpected visitors as the title and Rose Parker as the author. Fine. Let's run this code. And we get the following: singing unexpected visitors by Rose Parker, reading unexpected visitors by Rose Parker, acting in unexpected visitors by Rose Parker, doing stuff with unexpected visitors by Rose Parker. We can choose any function from the list. We could also iterate over the functions in a for loop. Fine, and now let's have an example with a dictionary. Let's define some simple functions. Sing, bark, and speak. They return simple strings. And now let's create a dictionary of functions. So, functions equals. Here we have the keys: morning, afternoon, evening, night, and values. The values are the functions: sing, bark, speak, and a lambda function. Without any arguments, it just returns the following string: z, 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 z. Fine. Now the program will take user input, asking the user, what time of the day is it now? And the user is supposed to enter morning, afternoon, evening, or night. And after the user enters the input, the program should print, "This is what I can hear behind the wall." And now, depending on the user input, we'll get different results because it depends on which function is actually called. So, let's run this program, F5, and let's say it's morning now. This is what I can hear behind the wall, la la la. So someone is singing in the morning. Okay, let's run this program again. And let's say it's afternoon. This is what I can hear behind the wall, woof woof. So a dog is barking behind the wall in the afternoon. How about the evening? And now I can hear blah, blah, blah. So someone talking about nothing important. Fine. And how about the night? This is what I can hear behind the wall. Zzz. So looks like someone is snoring or something. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.